What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today I'm going to give y'all a quick and easy DIY. For this DIY, you're going to need some white spray paint, any color of your choice, and Dollar Tree cookie cutters. And they are so cute. And we're just going to make some quick little Christmas ornaments. So let's get started. And there you have it, y'all. Quick and easy. Now, if you want to kind of spice it up a little bit, I'm going to add this Dollar Tree twine, baker's twine, to one of them. Or you can use ribbon as well. And if you want to just give that little sparkle, you can use glitter. So I'm going to just use these two items, and then I'll come back with the finished results. And this ribbon is also from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, baby. Okay, guys, I decided not to use the baker's twine because why? It would take too dang long. Since it's not an opening, you have to keep going through it. So I'm just going to use this ribbon just to show you an example how you can still tweak it up. So you're going to take your hot glue, and this is what I'm doing. Like I said, y'all can just leave it white and go about your business. But I wanted to add just a little extra to it. So I made the cute little bow, and just that's quick and easy, guys. Is it falling off, Jesus? Yes, it is. Of course it is. So, and that's it. I wanted it to be up a little bit more, and it's coming off on my finger. Thanks. So anyway, guys, booyah! How cute is that? And like I say, you can just leave them plain white and just add ribbon to hang in your tree, or just place them in your tree without even adding anything to them, just to add a little cuteness to your tree, something different. So you get 6 cookie cutters. That is 6, yes. 6 cookie cutters for $1. Now you got 6 ornaments for $1. So, and that's it. And there you have it, guys, the finished results of my ornaments. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys on Sunday.